Hindi, meron talaga.
Welcome to Yasaki Tours Manufacturing Incorporated. This company espouses safety at work and a safety workplace. You are now in Sa Dami Antonio Memorial Hall, where the company holds many of its activities. In this company, safety is our premium emphasis. The well-being of our people and our guests comes first. To ensure such, these are the fire